Hey everyone, welcome back. Today let's learn how to make a fresh pineapple mango salsa, which is very simple to make with ingredients available at home. It's a refreshing, flavorful recipe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients required to make salsa. Let's cut pineapple into small cubes. Eating pineapple fights inflammation and free radicals in the body. Rich in vitamin C, enhances your weight loss, promotes healthy bones, and great source of antioxidants and many more. Firm ripened mango is perfect for this recipe. Score your mango lengthwise and widthwise. Gently use your knife to run under the skin to remove the sectioned mango. Mango is loaded with vitamin A and C, which is very good for the immune system in our body. Plays an important role in keeping heart healthy, rich in potassium, antioxidants, iron, fiber, and many more. Into a mixing bowl, add a cup of pineapple, half a cup of red bell pepper, one cup of mango, quarter cup of cilantro or coriander leaves, 3 tablespoons of jalapeño, 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, quarter teaspoon of salt, combine all the ingredients well. You will get a nice flavorful punch in each bite. Try this amazing sweet, tangy and spicy dip. This will go well with any table spread. I hope you like this video. If you do, consider subscribing. Do share this recipe with your dear ones and friends. Also share your thoughts in the comment section below. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.